Hello and welcome to the Tooling Insight channel. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the fascinating invention of the lathe machine and its various parts. From its humble beginnings to its modern-day use, we'll be diving deep into the history and mechanics of this essential tool. The lathe machine is a versatile and essential tool used to cut, shape, and form a wide range of materials. Since its invention, it has played a critical role in industries such as metalworking, woodworking, and even glassworking. The lathe's history dates back to ancient Egypt around 1300 BCE. However, the first recorded lathe design was the pole lathe, which emerged around 1,000 years ago. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution, and Henry Maudslay, an English engineer, invented the modern screw-cutting lathe in 1797, revolutionizing the manufacturing process. Now, let's take a closer look at the primary components of a lathe machine. Bed is the sturdy base of the lathe, providing support and alignment for the other components. Headstock. The headstock houses the main spindle and gear system, responsible for holding and rotating the workpiece. Tailstock. Positioned opposite the headstock, the tailstock provides additional support for the workpiece and may house tools for drilling or reaming operations. Carriage. The carriage moves along the bed, parallel to the workpiece, and houses the cutting tool. Tool post. Mounted on the carriage, the tool post holds the cutting tool in place and allows for adjustments to the tool's position and angle. Feed rod and lead screw. These long, threaded rods control the movement of the carriage and the cutting tool, providing accurate and precise cuts. Follower rest. A follower rest is an essential accessory that provides extra support for slender and flexible workpieces, ensuring they do not deflect or vibrate during turning operations. Chuck. Located on the spindle, the chuck securely holds the workpiece in place during rotation. Today, lathes come in many forms, from manual engine lathes to high-tech CNC machines. With their ability to create intricate shapes and precise dimensions, lathe machines continue to be a cornerstone of modern manufacturing and craftsmanship. And that's our brief journey into the world of lathe machines. We've explored their history, inventor, and the essential components that make these machines such invaluable assets. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos.